Some reversal trades don't fail because the setup was bad. They fail because reversal never actually started. If you are a reversal strategy trader, you will learn the three things you should wait for before placing a trade. Let's get started. We are going to consider three, two scenarios, the bullish scenario and the bearish scenario. But before that, let's look at those three things you should wait for before placing a reversal trade. Number one is support or resistance. So before you place a trade, make sure it is at support or resistance level. The second thing is market structure shift, also known as change of character. The third one is inducement. You must wait for these three things before you can place your reversal trade. Well, let's take the first example using this first diagram. As you can see, this is a support level. Price made series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and got to the support level. When it got to this support level, it made a pullback and created pullback and break of structure. From here, it broke through the lower high that it previously created. Once this previous lower high is taken out, it means that reversal is confirmed, and this is change of character. The next thing we wait for is inducement to be taken so that we can place our trade. As you can see, this is our inducement. Once the inducement is taken out, we enter on the nearest POI and target the next high. So this is for this one. And the next scenario is the bearish setup. In the bearish setup, you should look out for the resistance level. From here, this diagram, you can see that market is making series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, till it got to a resistance level. When it got to this resistance level, it pulled back and took out the higher low. Once the higher low is taken out, we have our change of character or market structure shift. We wait for it to create inducement before we can look for entry on the nearest POI. So inducement is created here after this pullback, and we can find the nearest order block here to place our trade and target the next lower low. So this is simply how to trade reversal, and we'll soon go to chart so that I'll show you how it is read on the chart. But you have to note that this does not work 100% of the time, but it works most of the time. So once you take note of these three things, you are likely going to trade reversal strategy the right way. So this is our chart here. We have market making series of lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, till it got to the support level. When it got to this support level, as you can see, if you look closely, you can see that there is lower high here before this lower low. So price pulled back and took out the lower high and created inducements, created break of structure. Once this happens, we target the next order block or nearest POI. So this is what we do. Let me pick out this long tool. Here is the other block that is closest to the inducement, which is the POI. We place the stop loss slightly below the other block candle and target the higher time frame, higher high. So this is what we have. and drag this. So this is the reversal strategy trades. If you play like this, you have this. So there is support level. When price traded into the support level, it created change of character, as you can see from this diagram. After creating change of character, wait for inducement to be formed or inducement to be taken out. Here is inducement, and after creating this inducement, price came back and took out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, it mitigated the other block here. Here is it. Here is the other block that price mitigated. So it's as simple as that. Do well to follow this channel, like this video, and if you have anything to ask, you can comment on the comment section, or if you have any contribution, you can also drop it in the comment section and I will reply immediately. See you in the next one.